Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ready to revamp your lifestyle with some easy health hacks that can make a big difference? Well, you're in just the right place. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a health guru, these tips are crafted to help everyone step up their wellness game. So let's dive in. First up, let's talk hydration. I know you've heard it a million times, drink more water, but stay with me here. Hydration is crucial for maintaining energy levels, aiding digestion, and keeping your skin radiant. Try infusing your water with fruits like lemon, berries, or cucumber for an extra zing and a boost of flavor. It's a simple twist that can make your 8 glasses a day more enjoyable. Next, let's move to nutrition. Ever heard of the saying, "You are what you eat"? Well, there's a heap of truth in that. Incorporating more whole foods into your diet like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can dramatically boost your health. Start by making one meal a day a salad meal. And hey, when you do indulge, go for the dark chocolate. It's not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants. Now, on to sleep, your body's best friend. Getting a solid 9 hours of sleep per night can do wonders for your mood, cognitive function, and even weight management. Try setting a regular sleep schedule and creating a bedtime ritual. This could involve reading a book, meditating, or jotting down what you're grateful for. It's all about winding down in a way that works for you. And of course, we can't forget about exercise. If hitting the gym isn't your thing, no worries. There are plenty of ways to get moving. How about dancing to your favorite tunes for 20 minutes, or taking a brisk walk in the park? Find an activity you love, and it won't even feel like exercise. Lastly, take a minute to breathe. Yes, literally. Deep breathing exercises can reduce stress, improve your lung capacity, and bring a sense of calm to your busy day. Try the 4-7-8 technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, and exhale for 8 seconds. Simple, right? So there you have it, folks. 5 easy health hacks to kickstart your journey towards a healthy